Hello viewers, welcome to Trendy Outfit YouTube channel. Today I am going to show you how to make mango ice cream. So I am taking juicy mango. Okay, let's start. Adding 2 tablespoons of wheat flour. Okay. Okay, then dry roast for 2 minutes. Okay. On low mid flame, roasting until this flour will get a slight golden color. Okay. Okay, now I am transferring this into bowl. Okay guys, now I'm adding 2 cups of milk. It means 250 ml of milk. Okay. Keep boiling milk on low flame, okay? Keep boiling on low flame. Okay, now add 150 ml milk to flour. Okay. Okay, mix well without lumps. Mixture. Okay. Now you can get a smooth mixture. Okay, now come here. Now add flour mixture. Keep on boiling low flame. Mix well without lumps. When boiling milk, you can add 3/4 cup of sugar. Okay. Stir continuously until it will dissolve. Boil for 2 to 3 minutes, almost ready. Milk reduced right. Mixture will get thickened. Let it cool down. Okay, look here. Mixture thicken after cooling. Okay, now I'm transferring it into blender. Adding mangoes also. Okay. Smooth mixture is ready. Now transfer it into any bowl. mango ice cream ready. Finally, our heart-shaped mango milk powder ice cream is ready. Now you can garnish with badam, cashew, pista or anything.